Hello guys, this is Rashik Sanders or Gold. You can say I'm Gold. And today I am going to fix the amazing, annoying thing that happens to every controller. This also happened to my PlayStation 2 controller and I just fucked it up. So I can't play my PlayStation 2 much. This even happened to my PlayStation Portable PSP. So this again happened to my Xbox 360 controller, and I am going to show you what problem is that. You see, when you playing Call of Duty or Minecraft, any game, when you just push this, it doesn't go forward. It goes a little bit of forward, then stops. Little bit of forward, then stops. And in Call of Duty, you press this and sprint, but it doesn't sprint. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. This is very easy. You don't need to open up your controller with the screwdriver. I'm just going to show you how to give it like this. Yeah, like this. Wait, I'm going to pause the video. Wait. Hi guys, I'm back. Sorry for that. My mother called me. You can say my mom called me. So now you want to take a cloth. I'm not going to do this. Cloth, and you. Here are some dusts, and with the cloth you have to clean this dust. Then it'll not start working, but then you have to just do like this, and you have to clean inside of it. And I'm going to tell you how to clean the inside of it. So just clean this the normal way, like that, and it'll be just fine. The problem is those dusts come and mess up your controller. So when it presses, the dust stops it. So like this. I was playing my Call of Duty and I figured out what happened. So yeah guys, I will see you later. Comment at this video, please comment at this video that if it worked or not. So yeah, I'll see you later guys, bye.